Hey, what's going on? Garrett Barry here. If you've tried to promote products online as an affiliate and you've struggled to make consistent sales and income, this video is for you, because in a second, I'm going to hop on my computer and I'm going to break down some of the biggest mistakes I see people make that stops them from generating the income they want. And then I'm going to lay out some of the solutions. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to make money as soon as this week. Okay, my friend, now I'm inside right now and I'm actually traveling in Brazil, hence, the location that I'm in right now. But I want to share with you on the screen real quick. First off, some of the results that I've been able to generate. Now, I don't want to share this to impress you, but to impress upon you that as you follow me in this video, when I lay out these mistakes, these are mistakes that I made for a very long time when I first started, before I was, consistently generating income. And the solutions are the solutions that I discovered that has not only helped me, but my students and my team be able to quickly start to generate the income they want. So you can see right here, my biggest day online to date, I was able to generate $5,500, okay, with just 4 payments. You can see right here, Barry Lifestyle Marketing, that's my company, and the name right there. And then you can see that back to back, okay, this day I generated $2,000, and then the very next day, $2,250. So in 2 days, over $4,000. So again, I'm just sharing this with you so you can see that what I'm going to break down is actually working. Now, what are the mistakes most affiliate marketers make? Okay, and I'm going to break down, there's about 5 mistakes that are very common. And once you fix these mistakes, you can, again, be rest assured that you're on the right path. So the very first mistake I see people make when they want to go out there, promote products, and start to earn commissions online is they're not promoting high converting products. So what you want to understand is when you go out there to share an affiliate link with someone, what that affiliate link redirects someone to is a sales page. Now that sales page typically has a video or text that is, the job of that is to sell the person on buying whatever product you're promoting. Now, a lot of people struggle because they may get people to go to their affiliate link, but they're not making sales. And one of the biggest mistakes is the page, that sales page, is not a very high converting sales page, meaning it doesn't do a good job of converting a lot of people into buyers. So the first thing is you want to try to find a sales page that is very high converting. Now, how do you do this? Well, it depends on a couple main things. Number one, you can go to clickbank.com, which is a website that you can find affiliate products to promote, and you can sort it by something called Gravity. Now, Gravity is an algorithm that ClickBank has that shows you basically which products have the most affiliates gone out there and made sales with. So if you promote a product on ClickBank, for example, that has a high Gravity score, then you know that it's selling well and you have a very good chance of also making sales promoting that product. Another way you could, make sure you're promoting a product that's high converting is, are a lot of other affiliates making sales, right? So if there's a Facebook group, are you seeing a lot of other people sharing results that they've made commissions? Then chances are, if you promote that, you'll be able to do the same thing. So that's the very first mistake I see a lot of people make. Number two is they're not, people don't stick to one traffic source long enough, right? So if you go out there online, you have to generate traffic. Now, what is traffic? Well, online, what that means is it's getting people to your affiliate sales page, okay? So you want to generate traffic. You want to generate visitors to your affiliate sales page. Now, there's a lot of ways to get traffic. There's offline methods such as passing out flyers and handing out business cards. And there's online methods such as social media, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. There's tons of different ways to get traffic. Now, the problem and the mistake most people make is they think there's some magic, powerful, amazing traffic source that no one's discovered. And they're constantly wasting tons of, days, weeks, months looking for this golden nugget of a traffic source. And that's actually the wrong way to look at it. See, every single traffic source works. It's really just getting people to your affiliate link. Now, you have to stick to one traffic source long enough until it starts working. There's a phenomenon in online marketing and offline marketing as well called momentum. What that means is when you start to promote something for, the first few days, not many people are going to be that interested. Not many people are going to go to the sales page and buy. But if you stay consistent, you're going to start to build a momentum. People are going to start to see your posts consistently. That multiple exposure effect of if you get someone to see something enough times, just the mere exposure of them seeing it is going to help them come to like it and come to actually be interested in buying. Okay, so if you don't stick to one traffic source, if you're someone that's constantly, you watch one guru's webinar and they say, oh, you have to do Facebook, and you start doing Facebook for a week and then it doesn't work the way you want, and you think Facebook doesn't work, so then you go to YouTube and then you try that, then you go to Twitter. I know because I did that for the first couple of years. I always, I would start with one, not get results fast enough, and then I would switch. But you want to stick with one. And another reason you want to stick with one is because you can actually start to see what's working. Okay, you start to get enough data to fine tune what's working. If you do Facebook and you keep posting on Facebook long enough, you're going to start to see, oh, when I do a picture post, I get way more likes, or if I do a story, I get more sales, so you can start to see what's working and you stick to just one. Okay, that's another mistake. Number 3 is not capturing leads. So a big mistake a lot of affiliate marketers make is they go out there, they get someone, they actually maybe stick to one traffic source, they get someone to go to their affiliate sales page, but they send them right to the sales page. Okay, and the problem is most people, okay, 98% of people that you send to your affiliate sales page are not going to buy right away. Okay, it takes multiple exposures. Think about yourself. If you've ever bought something online, chances are you didn't just buy it instantly. You had to get followed up with. You had to see more information. So most people are the same way. Now, if you're not capturing the person's information that hits your affiliate sales page, then you're going to be leaving massive amounts of money on the table. In fact, most of the money on the table. Most people that just start off with affiliate marketing send people right to a sales page and they never get at least an email address from that person. You want to be sending people to a capture page. This is a page that looks something like this, okay? It has a headline, and then it has a box where someone can put their email address in. And the reason you want to do that is you want to have this page before your affiliate sales page. So now your prospect puts their email address in there, and now I can follow up through automated emails or broadcast emails where I can send out one email to thousands of people, following up with them, sending them back to the affiliate sales page, right? Until they see it enough times where they go, wow, I want to buy this. Okay, so again, if you're just sending people right now to a sales page, you want to fix that. You want to either get ClickFunnels or lead pages and create your own capture page, or you want to use a system that has one built in, which, by the way, there's going to be a link directly below this video where it's going to have all these mistakes solved for you. Okay, it's going to have a capture page. It's going to have high converting products that you can start to promote. It's going to have a proven traffic source so you can just focus on one and get results at the link below. But that's if you want to, just shortcut it. But you want to fix this whether you go with the link below or not. Now, mistake number 4, one of the last mistakes I see people make time and time again is they're not following up with their leads. Again, most people aren't capturing their leads, but if they are, they're not following up long enough. In marketing, and it's probably even more exposures nowadays because so many people are online and researching and things like that. But a long time ago, a few years ago, people would say that, it takes 7 to 12 exposures for someone to buy. So if you're not following up with your leads, or you follow up maybe once or twice and then you think, oh, it's not working, well, you're missing out on, again, tons of money because most people will not buy right away, and they won't buy within 2 or 3 follow-up emails, right? You need to have at least 7 emails in an autoresponder that's following up with your leads because, again, most people are distracted nowadays. There's so many opportunities out there. You have to be consistently following up with your leads. Now, how do you do this easily and effortlessly? You can set up, again, a follow-up sequence of emails that start drip feeding every single day back to your leads, sending them back to that affiliate sales page until they either buy or they opt out. They go, this is not for me. Now, again, you can, use GetResponse. Okay, GetResponse, Aweber. These are autoresponder services that you can actually hook up with your capture page to follow up with your leads. Now, again, at the link below, if you are interested, that's going to have emails already created for you and built in to the capture page. So you just send visitors to that and that will follow up for you. But again, you want to make sure you're doing this. And the last problem I see people make over and over again, if they have a goal of a certain income per month, is they're not promoting high ticket products. Now, I made this mistake time and time again when I first started online. I was going out there, I was promoting products on ClickBank, on JV Zoo, that would pay me, $100 or less per commission. Now, why is this a problem? Well, what you want to understand is if you have a goal, think about for a second as you're watching this video very closely, what is your income goal? Now, some people want to make, you know, on average, usually when I ask people, they say about $10,000 a month. Maybe that's the thought you had in your head, and you're like, oh my gosh, he's in my head. How does he know that? Well, because I've been around for many, many years now, and I know that $10,000 a month is what most people want to make online. Maybe you want a little bit less, a little bit more. If you have a goal of 10K, let's say, for example, if you're promoting a product that pays you, $100 per commission per sale, then you would need 100 sales a month, okay, just to hit $10,000 a month, which is incredibly difficult, even for the most seasoned marketer. But if you can promote a high ticket product, which means it's an affiliate product that pays you up to $2,000 per sale, you only need 5 sales per month to hit $10,000 a month. And a lot of people think it's harder to sell a product that costs more. And the issue isn't the difficulty. It's actually the same work. You're getting people to go to a link. You're just getting a different type of person to go to that link, someone with more money, okay, which is the same skill. You're just making a lot more per sale. So these are my 5 biggest mistakes that I see people make with affiliate marketing. If you got value in this video and you want me to make more sharing, different mistakes people make, how to overcome them, the solutions, be sure to like this video. Also comment below which of these were you maybe doing and how are you going to implement it better. Also subscribe. I'm going to be posting weekly videos, so you never want to miss out on my latest training. And last but not least, if you want all these mistakes solved in a very simple, done for you way, there's going to be a free training at the link below. Now, it's a free webinar training. When you watch that, you're going to see much more information on how to actually start implementing these solutions very easily and quickly, so you can start making money as soon as this week. You're going to be blown away by not just the results of seasoned marketers, but average everyday people that have applied the training and got some absolutely incredible results. So anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.